Thank you so much. To God be the glory. Nnamdi Kanu has spoken through his lawyer that he is against sit at home. He said emphatic no to sit at home. It will be recalled that Guardian newspaper reported on Monday that Southeast has lost over 7.6 trillion naira to sit at home. To God be the glory. Those who call for sit at home and those who enforce it should now respect the opinion, the stand of Nnamdi Kanu. He said emphatic no to sit at home. That is manifestly seen to be wasting the economy, the resources, the man-hour, everything, sending investors out of Southeast. People hardly come for meeting, for programs, for seminars, for conferences within Southeast. To God be the glory. God bless you.